In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel autopay for third-party apps in Shopify. Managing your expenses effectively is crucial for running a successful online store, and knowing how to stop these automatic payments can help you take greater control over your business finances. By following these steps, you can easily manage which apps continue to charge you and which ones don't, saving you both money and time. To get started with canceling autopay for apps in Shopify, the process is surprisingly straightforward. All you need to do is uninstall the app from your Shopify store. Let's walk through this step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, glance over to the left panel. We're looking for where it says Apps. Give that a click. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, revealing a few more options. From these, select Apps and Sales Channel Settings. This section allows you to see a comprehensive list of all the apps and sales channels currently installed on your Shopify store. Now that you've opened the Apps and Sales Channel Settings, you'll see a list displaying all the installed apps and sales channels. This page gives you a quick overview of what you're currently using, which can be helpful in assessing what is essential for your store and what might just be adding unnecessary costs. Locate the specific app for which you want to cancel autopay. Simply click on that app to view more details. Once you've selected it, you'll see an option that reads Uninstall. Go ahead and click that option, and just like that, you've initiated the cancellation process for autopay with this app. The great thing about Shopify is that uninstalling an app automatically stops any future subscription charges related to that app, which means you won't have to worry about unexpected fees popping up later. Keep in mind that when you uninstall an app, you also remove its features and any functionality it added to your store. If you're unsure about losing certain features, it's a good idea to double-check that you won't need this app before completely removing it. With these steps, you've not only canceled the autopay for the app in question, but have also regained control over part of your financial planning for your Shopify store. Ensuring your store doesn't have active subscriptions for unneeded apps can also help improve your overall business efficiency. Thank you for joining today. I hope this guide made the process of canceling autopay for third-party apps in Shopify clear and straightforward for you. Feel free to review the steps anytime you need to make adjustments to your app subscriptions. See you in the next video.